Mereka tidak memakai bahan metal di dalam badan ya, karena itu bisa menempel dengan keras. Lihat, itu kaos beku pukul orang meninggal ya. Langsung beku. Itu kalau bayangkan, itu kalau jari Anda putus, Cok.
Laughed at every little thing that was against the rules.
Alright my gengs, my boy, welcome back with me Renaldigilbert. Bagaimana kabar kalian my gengs, my boy? Semua kalian baik-baik saja. Jangan lupa untuk selalu stay safe. Everybody sing a song of duda-duda. Di video kali ini kita akan melihat ini fun fact. Di manakah kota terdingin di dunia? Jawabannya ada di Yakuts ya. Yakuts itu ada di mana? Mari sama-sama kita ketik saja Yakuts di Google. Yakuts. Aduh, jangan dilihatnya ini jaringan memang lelet di sini ya, jaringannya yang Bapak sembayang tolong. Itu ya, ini tanda merah. Coba kita zoom out sedikit. Nah, itu Yakuts ya. Bisa kalian lihat Yakuts ini Rusia di sini ya. Ini Tiongkok, Mongolia. Ternyata di sini kota terdingin di dunia. Saya pikir itu di daerah sini yang putih-putih, ternyata tidak, Cok. Atau di sini di Greenland, ternyata kota terdingin dunia ada di Yakuts. Bagaimana ke kota Yakuts? Mari sama-sama kita nonton video orang yang ada di sana. Let's go.
Ruhi seen it here. The temperature in the coldest city on the planet goes down to below -75 degrees Fahrenheit.
Negatif 60 derajat. Bayangkan Bu Ance, itu dingin sekali.
I realized that the
Beku
windows
nggak
of our plane had already freezed before touchdown.
Lihat, jendela pesawat sudah
Today
beku.
the air temperature is -67 degrees
Lihat,
Fahrenheit.
eksperimen.
I will conduct 8
Sekarang
experiments
negatif
in
55.
this freezing cold from a subjective perspective.
Kita
Can the
lihat.
liquid of an egg carry its shell? Or can the noodles hold a fork
Bagaimanakah
in
telur
the
yang
air?
didiamkan
We
beberapa
set up
saat
a
dan
simple system to fix the fork as we could not hold it with our hands due to shaking from the cold.
apakah dia akan beku?
People cannot wear metal frame glasses here because the metal could stick to their skin. And if they wanted to take off their glasses, their
Mereka
flesh
tidak
might
memakai
get
bahan
out.
metal
This
di
is a
dalam
piece of meat
badan
that
ya,
looks
karena
very
itu
much
bisa
like
menempel
human flesh.
dengan keras.
I was
Lihat,
wearing double glove.
contohnya ini.
I took off the larger one because I want to use my finger, and
lihat.
this glove has already started to freeze.
Langsung
My
beku.
hands are very cold now.
Langsung beku. Itu kalau bayangkan, itu kalau jari
What we
Anda
saw in a
putus,
few
Cok.
minutes reminded us again that this place is an ice hell. Everything freezes
Lihat,
here.
langsung beku itu Mi.
Let's take it off now.
Lihat. Langsung beku. Beginilah kota terdingin di dunia.
Frozen solid noodles can hold the
Mie
fork in
beku.
the air. See that?
Semuanya beku, dingin. Seperti sikap dia kepada Anda, dingin ya. Dingin seperti sikapmu kepadaku. Oke. Lihat, telurnya beku. Baru telur itu sudah beku, belum telur kita. Telur kita yang di rumah juga.
It looks unreal.
Di dapur
Just
maksudnya.
imagine
Beku.
you're taking off your glasses after a routine day, and the metal frame of your glasses peels your skin from a very vital point.
To avoid falling on the slippery floor, there are usually
Lihat.
3 doors in the entrance of
Harus
buildings
ada
in
3
order to
pintu
prevent
dalam satu gedung karena supaya dinginnya tidak masuk.
from entering. Doors are positioned diagonally
lihat.
in our hotel. This is a place where
Ini betapa
schools don't
dinginnya
get
tempat ini.
canceled until the temperatures aren't below
Negatif 50.
-58 degrees Fahrenheit. Whereas in some of the other places in the world, they are sometimes canceled when it is around 32 degrees Fahrenheit. -50 is quite normal.
Negatif 50 itu normal di sana?
Out and play. If it is around -20 degrees Fahrenheit here, that means
Astaga,
spring has come for
negatif
young
28 itu berarti musim spring.
people.
Let's
Oke,
make a
eksperimen
balloon
balon.
experiment now.
Bagaimana kak eksperimen balon yang seperti apa ini Bapak? Kasih tahu Bapak. Eksperimen balon. Terus, oh taruh air. Dia taruh air loh supaya beku.
How about freezing them
Cuman taruh
and
di
play
luar kan,
ball
ini,
with them
Bapak.
later on?
Iyalah, -20 itu beku. Di bawah titik beku. baju yang dikasih
How
air.
long does it take for this shirt to freeze completely?
Oke.
Let's wait and see. Since
Lihat.
the shirt was wet,
Sarung
my gloves
tangan
also
kena
got
air,
wet.
beku juga,
They're
Cok.
about to get frozen completely. My fingers are hurting from the cold. I guess I better not wear them, but it is a
Ya.
bad idea to be without
Lihat,
gloves.
ini efeknya
Bare
kalau
hands
kedinginan.
start to hurt a lot in just 20 seconds.
Kulit
and
terasa
don't
seperti
underestimate.
terbakar.
If I left my hands outside for 20 minutes, I will completely lose them. It is called
Lihat.
frostbite. My
Telinganya
ear was
bengkak
swollen
loh,
when
itu
it was
gara-gara
left outside
kedinginan.
for only 3 minutes in the previous video.
Lihat bajunya. Lihat.
My eyelashes
Tuh,
are
bulu
already
matanya. Sekarang
frozen.
negatif
Air
55
temperature is
ya.
around negative 67 degrees Fahrenheit. Yeah.
Itu sana
How to
lihat
play bowling
balonnya.
without spending any money. As you can see,
Sudah
I filled the balloons with
beku.
water. If I peel them, I will get ice balls.
Itu jadi,
Just like
sudah jadi
this.
es batu ya.
I have also kept plastic bottles in the snow, and now I got
Main
bowling.
bowling dia nih. Nah, kan? Lihat bajunya beku. Beku. Rusak langsung baju di sana ya. Rusak.
Can you
Beku.
believe it? Look at
Ini
that.
juga
Is this real?
beku. Itu kaos beku pukul orang meninggal ya. Nah, pukul orang meninggal. Look at the hole. Look at the hole.
Look at the hole at where I hit it.
Nah, rusak, celana rusak, semuanya rusak ya.
Yeah, this is the situation which my gloves
Akibat,
are in after the frozen t-shirt.
sarung tangan yang kena air ya,
This
di
was
luar
my
jadi
hands
beku.
position while holding the bag. Gloves remain
Ini
just
baru
like this when
betapa
I was taking
parahnya
them off.
dan betapa dinginnya
My
di sana.
fingers were in these gloves. It doesn't bend at all.
Apa ini? Beku lagi. Beku. Ayam
It's
kena
frozen.
tempel. Beku. Lihat. Jadi jangan pernah Anda menempelkan jari Anda ke bahan-bahan metal.
It holds itself. It is a
Okay,
regular bath
kain.
towel. Can we make a sled out of this?
Oke. Kain. Kasih air panas. Ya kan? Dikasih air panas. Oh, bukan. Ini air panas yang langsung beku ketika
It is
dilempar.
boiling water. Outside
Belum
temperature
sontong
is
tanah
around
dong langsung
negative
beku.
58 degrees Fahrenheit. The
Lihat,
boiling
oh.
water is about
Air panas loh itu.
212 degrees Fahrenheit.
Saking dinginnya tempat
As
ini
you
ya,
see, it instantly turns into ice
langsung
crystal.
beku.
The weather here is that cold, and this is how our uncovered body parts feel in a short time.
If you're not experienced enough, you could lose your limbs here, even if you think that you are careful. Walking from a place to another place is almost impossible here. If you are 20-minute walking distance away to your destination, it will take almost 1 hour for you to reach there,
Astaga.
as you would have to warm yourself.
Jalan kaki jangan
Every
sampai
5
lebih dari
minutes.
20 menit
People
karena
here
pasti
usually
resiko
get into
beku
banks
itu
or
ada.
parks while on a walk, rest,
Lihat
and then
tadi
continue.
kain yang sudah beku dengan air ya.
Our
Jadi
sled is ready.
jadi tempat seluncuran. Jadi tempat seluncuran om. Jadi seperti kayu ya. Apa itu handuk? Itu handuk kan? Itu handuk.
do it again.
Oh. Jadi seperti ini my gengs my boy. Ini betapa uniknya tempat ini ya. Aha.
I left the banana
Lihat,
out for a
pisang
while. I
beku
think it
bisa
got hardened
jadi
like a hammer. People
palu
here
loh.
can even use
Palu.
frozen fruits as hammers when
Martelu.
they need to.
Lihat.
So, here's the proof. You won't see this every day.
Bisa jadi palu.
Speaking of frozen fruits and meats, some Yakut people keep one room in their
Lihat,
house
daging
empty
tidak perlu
and
pakai
don't
kulkas.
heat. Since the room is as cold
Tidak
as
perlu ada
outside,
kulkas.
they use it as a large
Tidak perlu
freezer
AC
that
ya.
won't cost electricity. As you see, the first room
Coba
of
kita
this
lempar
house
kopi panas
is
ke
the
udara.
freezer room in
Let's
the
go.
entrance.
Langsung beku.
soon.
Langsung Beku.
Our bag got wet while doing the water
Tasnya
experiment.
sudah beku
It
juga.
only took like 2 minutes, and this
Ya, itulah keunikan-keunikan di Yakut ya saudara-saudara. Dan jangan pernah ke sana kalau Anda tidak tahan dingin ya. Mungkin begitu saja video saya untuk hari ini. Jangan lupa untuk selalu stay safe. Dadah, see you in next video. Dadah.